What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. All right, today we gotta do these splash guard extensions. Comes with clips. They are labeled, so I don't have to worry about mixing them up. But all we're doing is replacing these right here. So all you're gonna need is a flathead and 2 sockets. You're gonna need a 7mm and a 9. I think this is 9 3/4. Yeah, for the front, and then a 7mm for the rear. Just pry it off. Now we're gonna take our 7mm and remove the bolt on the white side, and just slide it out, and then use it to compare with the new splash guard. For the back, you're just gonna find the one that's labeled left, because we're on the driver's side. This lines up with this one. It's got the extension. But yeah, you're just gonna take these clips that come with them, and basically like these, you're just gonna slide them on here, like so. And it comes with 2 of these. They for the backs only, so you get 2 of them, and it's gonna go for this one right here. So it's kind of like that. Just gonna do the bottom first. I'll line it up right here. Put that in there. Push that in there. I'll line it, tight everything up. That's it for the rear. All right, let's go and do the front. Now that we're in the front, we're gonna go and use our 9 3/4 to remove this bolt. All right, so I got it out. I'm just gonna grab from the bottom. It's already loose. Just pry this off. But this piece right here goes into that. So we're gonna slide it in there. The bottom. Slide that piece in. Start from the bottom first. That's pretty much it. So got the rear. And the front. But that's the video. I hope the video helps somebody out. Remember to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Until next time.